How to add a comment in Excel. You probably sometimes need to add a comment next to a certain column in Excel in order to clarify it. If you want to find out how you can do it, stay until the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the Excel we want. I will choose this one. This Excel contains many rows, and we need a comment for some of them to explain what this column is for. How can we add that? In the top menu, find the Review section and click on it. In this section, a lot of options will appear, of which we need the New Comment option. When you find it, before clicking on it, select the field for which you want to comment. When you have selected it, click on the option. A window will open in which we can enter a comment. Type something and click something outside that window. Now when you pass over the field that has a comment, the message we typed will appear. That is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.